till I say you move. Baby, don't move my butt. Cause me, I wanna know if you got time and place.
So you guys jumping right in. We're gonna start. I'm using the African collection, the one that comes in the triple packs. So it's like 3 bundles of hair, and I basically just cut it into 2, and then I pulled the ends, and that's what I used to braid my hair. And these braids were really long, and I only cut the hair into half. And right here I'm showing you guys how the hair comes. Clearly I've done more than half of my hair. When I cut it, I'm gonna pull the ends so that I don't have a blunt ends for the hair. That's like, I'm showing you guys just exactly how I do that. I pull the ends until the ends of the hair is not blonde, it's like tapered, so that when I eventually braid my hair, it's not gonna be blunt, and it's not gonna unravel after I braid the hair. So that's basically what I'm doing here. If you've ever done your hair in a hair salon, like the African braiders, this is how they do it. They pull it, so that they get like a good tapered end. Here I'm just showing you guys how I cut the hair. I tend to use some gel at the bottom just to make sure that my base is smooth. To make sure that it is clean. As you can see, the braids in the back, I put the gel at the ends, and I was just showing you guys the tapered ends of the hair that I'm going to be using to start braiding. This is a clearer video on how I braid. My last video when I was showing you guys how I braid, it was not very clear, so I thought this video was clearer, and that's why I decided to post it. Let me know in the comments if this is helpful at all. I really suck at like, showing you guys how I can braid, so I hope that this video is a little bit better. But this video, I'm just showing you guys how I did my hair. That's my Eco Styler gel. Basically, you guys have already seen what I do or what I did to the whole head. I'm just showing you again. This is the second one on this side. I put the gel on the base. Then I'm gonna use some hair oil to smoothen my 4C hair, so that my 4C hair will not be picking out of my braids when I eventually braid them with the extensions. So I make it smooth. The most important thing is to have a smooth base, and smooth hair that you're incorporating into the extension. And I was just showing you guys the size that I was cutting from the hair before braiding it. Basically, I feel like I've mastered how to do my own braids, and this basically took me about 6 to 8 hours, if I'm not mistaken. I took a lot of breaks, so it could have been shorter, but oh well. I do it myself, and that's why I do it myself, so I can take as many breaks as I want. I can go to sleep if I want, and all that good stuff, and save myself some money at the same time. And I'm just showing you guys the castor oil that I use to do this, and I'm gonna rub it on the hair. Basically, that's just how I do it. You guys have already seen how I do this. There's really not much to say from this point. I just braid it down. These braids were really long. Not really long, but I think it's the longest braids that I've ever done on myself. And as I go, if I feel like my hair is rough as I go, I just put some castor hair oil on my hand, and I just keep going. This is the 3 that I did so far on camera, and I just figured you guys don't want to see me do the whole entire head on camera. So this is the other side. Slay, girl, slay. Okay, I did that maybe in 4 hours or 5 hours, but yeah, that's the other side, and I was just showing you guys how I do it. This hair was initially long. I ended up curling it. I ended up cutting it. It's just a style that kept on giving, and I couldn't get enough of it. It lasted me 5 weeks.
As you say, make a wire, but you only wine for the dough.
She got a pound, she might just serve us.
Pop a Birkin just to start a pop. Pop 2 cups of purple just to warm up 2 cups. Drink. I heard your bitch, she got that. Same girl I meet on top. One day for me like say she's on form. If I start to perform, say you go still dey perform. Same girl I meet for show. One day for me like say she's on form. If I start to perform.